Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you want to earn money while you sleep? In this video, we will explore 10 online passive income strategies that are perfect for beginners. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of how to make money online and build a sustainable source of passive income. Affiliate marketing is a popular online passive income method. It involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. With the right strategy, you can earn a significant income by leveraging your website, blog, or social media presence. Creating and monetizing YouTube videos can be a great way to generate passive income. By building a loyal audience and consistently uploading high-quality content, you can earn money through YouTube ad revenue. The more views and ad clicks you get, the more income you can generate. If you have a passion for writing, consider publishing eBooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Writing and publishing eBooks can provide a steady stream of passive income, especially if you focus on popular genres and market your books effectively. Creating and selling online courses is another way to generate passive income. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once the course is created, it can generate income long-term without much additional effort. Investing in the stock market can be a profitable passive income strategy. By carefully researching and selecting stocks, you can earn income through dividends and capital appreciation. However, it's important to note that stock market investments carry risks, and proper research and understanding are necessary. Dropshipping involves setting up an online store and selling products without physically handling inventory. When a customer purchases a product from your store, you forward the order to a supplier who takes care of shipping. With effective marketing and product selection, dropshipping can be a profitable passive income stream. Print-on-demand platforms allow you to create and sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, and phone cases. You don't need to handle inventory or worry about fulfillment. Simply create the designs, upload them, and earn a passive income whenever someone makes a purchase. Peer-to-peer lending platforms enable you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. This can be a lucrative passive income strategy if you carefully select borrowers and diversify your investments across different loans. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in properties without the need for large sums of money or directly managing properties. By pooling your investments with others, you can earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. Creating a membership website where users pay a monthly fee for exclusive content or services can be a profitable passive income method. With valuable and unique content, you can build a community and earn recurring income from your members. There you have it, 10 effective online methods to make money and generate passive income. Remember, building a passive income stream takes time and effort, but the rewards can be significant. Start exploring these strategies today and pave your way towards financial freedom.